Ngayon, gusto kong i-share lang sa inyo kung ano yung laman ng ref namin kapag may foreigner kang asawa. So, kasi syempre, kapag Pilipino, iba siguro yung laman ng ref. Kaya, ito, si Vika, nagdo-drawing lang.
Ito!
Ano yan?
Ano yun?
Syempre, Japanese.
Nukani?
Japanese house. So, ngayon, ikaw yung laging nasa ref. So, ikaw yung nakakaalam.
Nasa ref?
Hindi. Ikaw yung nakakaalam ng buong... Kasi si Vika yung talagang tambay ng ref. Ako kasi, bihira lang akong kumuha ng pagkain dyan sa ref. Kaya si Vika, yung magtutur sa atin kung ano yung ref. Kung ano meron sa ref. Kala mo, laki ng ref natin, no? Itutur mo kami.
Actually, not enough for me the space.
Ha?
Not enough the space for me.
Not enough tong ganito kalaking ref?
Oh, parang I want more space para more food. Because I like to cook and put it a lot in the ref. Like cook a lot of food so that you can eat it next days.
Oo, kasi iba sa kanila, iba yung kung paano kayo kumain eh. 'Di ba kayo magkukook talaga kayo ng marami?
My mom, like for example, she will gonna cook whole day and she eats already for half of the week. This whole food.
Half of the week?
Yeah, but it's fresh.
Magkukook ka ng isang araw, marami, tapos half of the week na yun.
Like for example, today I will cook soup.
Oo.
I will cook soup, I will cook already lunch, I will cook dinner, I can also cook breakfast for 2 days.
Kaya pala.
But it doesn't get spoiled.
Saka kasi ang ginagawa ni Vika, mga pre, cook siya, kunwari na, katulad nung isang araw, nagluto siya ng giniling. So, ang gagawin niya, yung giniling na yun, kakainin namin ng mga 1-2 araw. Pero yung pangalawang araw, hindi na siya basta giniling, kundi mamajikin na. Mamajikin na ni Vika yun. Lalagyan niya ng kung ano-ano, kaya papalaman niya, ganun. So ngayon, dahil curious din kayo kung anong laman ng ref ng may asawang foreigner, ngayon papakita namin sa inyo ano yung mga laman kasi siya yung namimili naman talaga niyan.
I will open the door for you.
Ayan na.
Tutu.
Ayan yung laman ng ref
No,
namin.
medyo pangit, but at least totoo. Okay, here we have makape, mochi. I put actually all sweets in here. I am a lover of mochi, so we have mochi. Yan, maraming mochi. This is Eugene's mango chocolate. And meron ganyan, chocolate meron tayo also.
Lahat ng
Hershey's,
tsokolate nandito.
dairy cream. Bakit sobrang pangit? Dapat tinayos ko. Ito, almond.
Yung mga tsokolate, mga pre,
Nadala si Eugene, no?
ako talaga halos kumakain yan. Pero hindi ko lagi kinakain yan. Minsan pa isa-isa lang pag nagtiti kami ni Vika.
Tapos meron pa dito candies. Yan. Sisli.
Anong candies yan?
Sisli or sisli. It's sometimes when you biyahe or hindi ka mahihilo, we will take it. Kung matagal ang biyahe. So, it's just here.
So, ayan. Candy chocolate section namin.
Meron na second section. Here, I always store butter. Always, I have like always 3 butters.
Ngayon, ubus na. Isa na lang.
Ubus na. Isa na lang natira.
Tapos itong section.
I use Emborg. But masarap President butter.
Anong butter yan? Anong brand yan?
Emborg.
Emborg.
Medyo mahal. Pero President
Hindi ko
mas
alam
masarap. Tapos here, this section, ay nilagyan ko parang para sa mukha, gamot also. Eye patches for mata.
So, kasama sa, ano yan? Kasama sa rep yan, yung mga
Eye patches for
pampaganda
mata because maganda kung malamig. Tapos face masks, I like to put it here. Yan, para malamig sila.
Lubot may gamot.
Kasi lagi ko nababala sa buong bahay. I will put my gamot here, tapos nawala, here nawala. So I said, okay, you stay here. The one that I always drink will stay here. Here is the third section, mga pre. Here we put always drinks, juices, and some sauces. Here we have our, oh, it's also Emborg. It's for whipping. It's when we do cacao or matcha. I would like to do, Eugene really likes this. Tapos here,
Ayan.
cocktail onions. Sarap yan.
Alam niyo si Vika,
Onions.
mahilig sa onions.
We have mustard, we have sauce, sour cream and chives, dalawang juice, mahilig si Eugene kasi sa juice. Ketchup, nakita ko itong ketchup, mga kapatid, sarap itong ketchup. Wala kasi sa Pilipinas parang katulad sa amin na like really yummy ketchup, like it tastes like real, but this one is good.
So ayan, real ketchup to, as in.
Not really, but good, very tasty. Yan, ito para sa kape, almond milk.
Kasi mahilig kaming magkape rin. Pero hindi lagi.
Pero hindi lagi, kung trip lang.
Oh, ayan, ito yung espresso kasi. Ang gawaan niya ng kape.
And Nestle fresh milk. I don't know why, but I always like fresh, this Nestle milk. Parang hindi ka na-drink iba. Nasanay ko sa ganun.
Nasanay ka na sa Nestle?
I don't know why.
May Nestle ba sa inyo?
But, pero hindi gatas. Nestle cereal.
Ah,
Yan. Next one is our
what's that?
QP roasted sesame. This is the best.
So tumutunog kasi siya kapag
Yeah, parang
ano.
sarado ka, sarado mo. This one is so yummy. It's good with noodles. It's sesame noodles. You just boil cold noodles and just put it as a sauce. Oh my god, the best. Eugene loves it so much also. Here we have also QP. Oy. Yeah, QP mayo. QP mayo. Only QP mayo, I only buy that. No other mayo. We always eat sa bahay. Jams. Always meron jams. This is Philadelphia spread. Less fat, pero hindi ako tumaba.
Less fat.
Yeah, meron tayong ganyan dito.
Ayan. Nakaayos yung ganyan yung ref namin.
This is my very yummy spread for sandwiches.
Ano yun? Ano yung pakita mo?
Hellmann's vegan mayo.
Oh, yun yung mayo.
Sarap.
May mayo ka kanina. Iba yung mayong yun?
No, hindi. Ito para sa sandwiches.
Ah, sandwich yan.
Oo. Meron tayo itong jam.
Oh, ano yung jam na yan? Para sa naman
No
yun?
sugar added. Extra jam. This is cherry jam. Para sa sandwich, para sa porridge, para sa breakfast madalas. This one is so yummy. Raspberry jam and blueberry jam.
Kasi sa umaga, mas madalas si Bika mag-sandwich.
Sandwiches.
Ayan. O, diba? Kaya ayan, mahilig siya niyan.
Uy, meron pa. Ito kasi bagong Philadelphia.
Ano yan? Bago? Bago lang yan? So, extra?
Extra. Kasi I am mahilig sa ganito. I didn't know I have this. Oh my god, I'm gonna eat it.
Baka expired na yan.
Hindi,
Ano to?
bagong bili. Panakota.
Ha?
It's parang dessert. Panakota.
Panakota?
Very yummy.
Hindi ko alam
This
yan.
is a
Ano yung
section.
panakota?
It's a dessert. They will know it. This all is for yogurts. Itong section lahat para sa yogurt lang. Ito meron akong malaking yogurt. Ito meron tira isa sa Elvira. Yeah. Because I really like yogurts. Always common to eat yogurts. Yogurt jam. This is parang foreigner section talaga. Ito meron ako cheese. I always use it for salads.
Cheese? Pati nga ang cheese yan.
Feta. White cheese.
Sa salad mo ginagamit yan?
Yeah, lagi. Gagamitin ko mamaya. This section, I always put cheese and Yakult. My ref is never empty without cheese. There is always cheese in the ref.
Kahit sa inyo. Sa inyo, sa mama mo.
Yeah.
Ganun din.
Lagi may cheese kasi.
So, ibig sabihin parang itong ref na to, copy-paste, almost
Yeah,
copy-paste.
almost copy-paste sa bahay ko.
Ah.
Ano, this Eden cheese, not my...
Eden, syempre sa akin.
Kay
yan.
Eugene, this is akin. Pero syempre, I give it to Eugene also. Tapos meron dito Japanese inumin. Yan.
Anong inumin?
Soya milk.
Ayan.
Dito, hindi ko tinapos na
What's this?
pamelo ko. It's fresh. Don't look at this. It's fresh.
Oh,
Since I told
dito
you,
na tayo. Sa
it's
section
really
na
not
to.
enough much space because I like to store food. I like to cook and store. Ito meron tayo miso paste. This is miso paste.
Ayan.
This is miso paste.
Yung buong yan, miso paste yan.
All of this. Hindi kimchi.
Saan mo ginagamit yung miso paste?
Sa miso soup niya. Interesting.
Doon lang ba yun?
Do you know that miso paste doesn't have expiration date?
Ah.
That's why it can stay for long. It doesn't have expiration date. And here, we always have kimchi. And this is new kimchi I tried. Sobrang sarap. Hindi masyado maanghang.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
My best friend pickles. Without this, life is sad. Tapos, olives meron. Ito, pesto. This is pesto. Sa pasta, sa when you fry egg and you put pesto. Oh, yummy. We have sibuyas, diba?
Oo.
And we have garlic. Minced garlic. Very, very yummy. I suggest you try that. Next one we have hummus. Hummus, you know, it's Israeli food.
Nakatikim na ako niyan. Saan nilalagay yan?
Pwede dip, I will give you later to try. Pwede to dip sa vegetables. And it's in pita bread with falafels. This is caramelized red onions. Masarap sa burgers. Sweet cherry peppers. So yummy. Peppers, bell peppers, but small, but canned. Sarap. Gochujang.
Yan, normal naman sa atin
And
yan.
this,
Gochujang.
sasang jam. This is like, it's called kesong puti because I'm trying to find here like white, it's cottage cheese to make Russian food called sirniki. We ate on breakfast that today. I will put you pictures so you can understand. So it's that, something similar to our in Lithuania called kesong puti. Ito,
Yan.
this,
Luto niya.
this is, what do you call that? Gulay? My favorite? Sayote! I cook sayote. Because I didn't know it's so yummy. And now it's my favorite gulay. Then we have here simple sibuyas. My salad. I didn't finish it from yesterday. It's called quinoa salad.
Kinuha?
Quinoa.
Quinoa?
I don't know how if I pronounce it right, but I just.
Ba't hindi ba Russian yan?
No, it's quinoa. It's this. It's grains. So meron tayo grapes. Kasi fruits, eat the best. Right?
Parang lahat gada ko. Kaya tahimik ako. Parang gada kuha niya ng mga pagkain, may kain din siya.
This is our eggs.
Yan mga itlog.
Tortilla. Peanut wraps. Here we have a dill because I like to add for soups, for Russian food. But I need to freeze it already because the dill doesn't live long unless you freeze it. Here we have mushrooms.
Ayan, may
Like to
hilig
eat
sila sa mushroom. Kaya lang may hinahanap pa siyang mushroom eh.
Pero
Diba,
wala.
hindi yan yung
Lagi
mushroom.
meron na yun the last time when we bought, wala. I eat, my bread is like that.
Anong bread yan?
Wheat bread. My bread is wheat bread. So, Eugene doesn't eat like that bread. He doesn't like it.
Ang bread
Eugene's
ko,
bread
ito.
is,
Ayan, alam
classic
nyo na.
Hardenia white bread. Classic. Tapos
Tapos meron pa siya.
meron pa ako itong bagels. Sobrang sarap.
Yan, yan din ginagamit niya sa morning breakfast niya.
Yes, sandwiches. You spread it with this Philadelphia, add ham. Then we have also here mga pre vegetable section. Yan. Salad leaves. Salad leaves for salad. I like to use it or for wraps and sandwiches. We have here nectarines. A bit expensive. It's called donut nectarines. Look at this cutie pootie. So cute and so yummy. It was only 5 pieces. Expensive.
Ano pa?
Ito, meron tayo apples. I like apples. Or lemon, if for Eugene salmon. This is for dressing sometimes. Tapos meron pears. And orange. Holy stuff, it's for for tsaa.
For cha.
Sobrang sarap when you put oranges in tsaa. They're so yummy. We have here corn. Na yun, my favorite gulay, sayote.
Favorite
I
niya
tried
na.
this in tinola and from now on, so my favorite. We have also talong. Here we have kamatis, like this huge kamatis. I have this Korean or Japanese radish. And also we have always ginger.
Ayan, yun nakalagay yan mga gulay namin. In case naman na wala kasi kaming, naubusan kami ng gulay, may
May dito
tindahan.
gulayan.
Oh, may gulayan dyan sa baba namin.
Okay, here my favorite spot. Okay,
Ano to?
We have
Prime fresh.
Smirnoff. We have here dumplings. Dumplings. I just tried this. Last day is just medyo. Never nawawala this crab sticks. I know that it's not so healthy, but it's so yummy. Ito, meron tayo udon. I like to cook this.
Mahilig magluto kasi Vika
Udon.
ng udon. Ayan.
Stir fry, sobrang sarap. Or curry udon. Oh my god. Here we have this ham. Because sa bahay, sa akin, sa bahay, doon sa Lithuania, we always eat ham. It's like there is never, there is always ham and cheese in the ref. Because it's always for sandwiches.
Salami?
Salami. Yan, salami. So this is all for our ref, siguro.
So, ayan yung lahat ng laman ng ref namin.
May sweets, may frutas, may yogurts, may cheese, may milk, may gulay, may bread.
May
Maybe,
bika.
may aqua.
So, yung freezer namin,
Ito, meron na dumplings, may
dumplings
sira.
na yun. Alam niyo naman yung dumplings na yun, di ba ginagawa niya? Binlag
Yes.
na namin niya
Yes.
kung paano ginagawa.
Medyo maliit, kaya hindi kasya dito.
Ayun lang.
Ito,
Basta
may
ayan.
chicken. It's Korean chicken. Sobrang sarap to. May frozen vegetables. May frozen strawberries.
Tapos si Vika, ito, gusto niya Magnum.
Ay, sarap.
Ano to? Ano ito?
Siomai. But my steamer nasira, so I have no idea how to cook it now. I need to buy. I bought from Shopee. So, meron tayo bangus. I never tried that, but when I tried it, I was like, oh, masarap pala. So, since then, I always buy that. And I like to prito that. Lagi whole chicken sa freezer. Basta, chicken hotdogs and sobrang gulo. Ice producer.
Ayun lahat mga pre, yun yung laman ng ref namin kapag foreigner yung asawa niyo.
Diba, some pagkain looks weird for you?
Kaya nga.
Some dish, like, you wonder what's that?
Oo, ang daming kakaiba dito. Siguro sa iba rin, ganyan din naman siguro sa iba, lalo na kung mahilig magluto talaga.
Yeah, maybe when you like the food. Dagdag to you my tea station.
Ayan, tea station lang muna. Ayan, tea station niya.
Look at this beauty! I bought it not long recently, so that it's bagay to this beautiful watch. You know it can do that? Uy.
Oh, baka masira mo.
Copyright! Yan. A very bagay. little by little, it will become beautiful.
Kasi gusto kong ipasilip din sa inyo mga pre, itong tinya. Ito yung mga tinya. So kapag mahilig mag-tea yung asawa nyo, ayan, katulad ni Vika, mahilig mag-tea, ayan, asahan nyo na. Marami siyang ganyang mga klaseng tea.
Kailangan i-restock.
Ha?
Wala na, ubus na. Only few piraso. Kailangan
Ubus na
restock.
yan. Tapos pinaka-favorite niya, TWG.
Tito Budi talaga itong masarap, but so expensive, but so masarap. My love.
Meron pa dito.
Meron pa dito.
Ayan. Ayan, kasama
Ito,
yan.
TWG a little bit.
Ito pa.
Tapos dito meron. Di ba mahilig ako sa Japanese?
Ayan.
Japanese tea, caffeine-free tea, anti-stress tea, anti-stress.
Anti-stress.
Dito pa meron cha. Uy, nalaglag. Ito cha. You think that's all? This is also cha.
Tsa rin to?
Hindi mo ba alam?
Tsa. So, ayan pa pala. Ayan. So,
This is
ayan.
my favorite.
Yeah.
Oh God, this is so yummy, but I don't know where to buy it, so I'm so tipid on that.
Ito rin mga tea rin to.
Oh, ito. Tignan nyo. Mom, thank you. Celebrate. So cute.
Ito nasa likod.
Ito.
Mga
This
tea
is
niya.
chocolate with mint tea.
So, yan yung tea station ni Vika. Connected yan dito, saka ito. Tapos ito, mga ano yan.
This is for coffee.
Coffee. Yan, para dito sa Nespresso. At ayun yung setup niya sa tea station. Siyempre, ang collection ni Vika, mga collection niya. Yun, napakita namin lahat. Nag-ref raid tayo na kung anong laman yung ref namin. So, ang kinagandahan rin mga pre, siyempre, kapag foreigner talaga yung asawa mo, eh, kakaiba yung mga nakikita. Hindi common sa mata natin nakikita natin kapag binuksan yung ref. Kaya ako natutuwa ako eh. Kapag gusto ko makakita na kakaiba, buksan ko lang yung ref.
Thank you so much for watching mga pre, and see you in the next video. Try to buy something that I also have. Maybe you would like it. See you sa susunod na vlog. Bye-bye!